Alright, so we have my new Spark SIM card, unlimited data, and so on, unlimited calls to Australia and New Zealand. Let's pop this baby in and see how we go. So it comes in all the sizes, SIM card sizes you could want. Because this is an S7, I'll probably need the smallest one, so let's turn this off, and we will need and I guess smallest one here, so that one, micro SIM, and we'll get my phone out of its Lemon Zero case. A lot of people have asked me, what the heck is this? It's massive. Yes, it's big. You get used to the size though. And I get sort of like 3 days of battery time out of it, especially with the videos I take and make. I find it very handy. And getting it out is a little bit tricky, but I'll get there. Giant-proof packaging again. And as you can tell, she's already taken a few knocks and done pretty well out of it. So, and yeah, so as you can see, that's 7,500 milliamp hours plus the 3,000 I get in my S7 does make it last a while. So you take that off, and now you can take the phone off like that. That's the case, and actually, interestingly enough, that's the battery, but most of it, the bulkiness, is due to the protection, really. So yeah, there's your size. Okay, now back to what we came here to do is let's pop this out, because the S7 is waterproof. You really need to use this. You could use something else like a pin out of say my Swiss Army knife here, but you're most likely going to damage the pin and make that useless, damage something else, so it's not worth it. That's why it's always useful to keep these around. There you go, it's nice and easy. Pop that out, my little goodbye 2 degrees. You've served me well, but it's just too tempting with unlimited data. And Spotify and a whole bunch of other stuff. So finally gone to the dark side completely with my fiber, which I'm going to get soon. I'll do a video on that. Close that up. Okay, start this baby up. I look like a crazy man in the reflection. That is because of my Spotify. I get a Spotify premium account now, so that's awesome. So that's another $15 a month saved, really. Speed. Alright, so what you see, let's look at previous results. That's using the Wi-Fi and the phone. Use the speed boost. I don't know if it makes any difference. And then these are the speeds I was getting before. You know, just that's probably a bad test. But I was averaging about 45, around 40 megabits per second, and so on. So it's connected pretty quickly. Let's give this a shot and see how fast this goes. Okay. Let's see. Still seems about the same. What's going on here? I think that might be because I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Yep, okay, so this is trying to be smart and use both. And I think in this instance it's not the greatest. So we turn off my Wi-Fi, which isn't the fastest. Not that the Wi-Fi isn't the fastest, it's the VDSL connection's pretty slow. which is why I'm getting fiber soon. Okay, now let's try this, just the phone alone. Connected to Vodafone. Let me see. Oh, look how fast it is. Oh my god. We're talking about almost 4 times faster than was before. Yeah, about 160 megabits per second. Upload, whoa, 30 compared to 8. So again, it's pretty decent. Huh. Let's go look at the results. So Wi-Fi, if anything, because I'm on an unlimited data plan, I might as well not use the Wi-Fi. So yeah, almost 5 times the download speed, well, almost 5 times the upload speed too. Start again, just to make sure it wasn't a one-off. Nope, doesn't look like it's a one-off. Jumps right up there. Holy smokes. Yeah, so these speeds are better than my landline connection now with VDSL till I get fiber. So we'll have to see what happens once we get fiber, guys. Yeah, and just looking at the speed test thing, it's interesting. So it does a coverage of LTE around, so it's kind of cool. Essentially shows you where you should be and could be getting these sort of speeds. All right, I'll play around with it and come back to you, actually. All right, and maybe see if we can set up my Spotify account.